more informative videos like this. So let's start our today's video that is on aging gracefully, geriatric health and well-being. First, we will talk about the aging population. So, as the world's population continues to age, understanding the unique challenges and opportunities associated with aging becomes increasingly important. People are living longer, and it's very crucial to ensure that these extended years are lived with good health and happiness. Now, let's talk about some common aging concerns. So let's take a closer look at some common concerns related to the aging and geriatric health. So first common aging concern is physical health. Let's talk about it in an elaborated manner. So as we age, our bodies undergoes changes that can affect mobility, strength and balance. We will discuss common health conditions such as arthritis, osteoporosis, and cardiovascular issues. Physical health challenges that come with aging often include conditions like arthritis, which can cause joint pain and stiffness. Discuss the importance of low impact exercises such as swimming or water aerobics, as they can be easier on joints. Osteoporosis, a condition that leads to brittle bones, is more common among older adults, especially postmenopausal women. So, it is important to encourage viewers to focus on a diet which is rich in calcium and vitamin D to support bone health. Cardiovascular issues such as high blood pressure, heart diseases become more prevalent with the age. So, here we discuss the importance of maintaining a heart healthy diet, regular exercises, and stress management to reduce this risk. Now, second common concern is cognitive health. So, aging can impact cognitive functions. We will explore conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia and discuss ways to maintain cognitive health through brain boosting activities. Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia can be a major concern for the seniors. So highlight the importance of staying mentally active through activities like reading, puzzles, and learning new skills. Discuss the role of social engagement in cognitive health. Regular interactions with a friend, family, and community groups can help keep the mind sharp. Third concern is mental health. So, loneliness, depression, and anxiety can become more prevalent in older adults for maintaining a positive outlook. Loneliness and social isolation can be particularly challenging for seniors, especially if they live alone or have limited mobility. Now, we'll explain how maintaining social connections through clubs, volunteering, or simply visiting friends and family can greatly benefit mental health. So, depressive symptoms can sometimes be mistaken as a normal part of aging, but it's essential to stress that depression is not a natural consequence of growing older. Encourage viewer to seek help from a healthcare professional if they or their loved one experience depressive symptoms. Next concern is medications and polypharmacy. So older adults can often take multiple medications and which can lead to drug interactions and their side effects. Next concern is social connections. So maintaining strong social connections and a support system is crucial for mental and emotional well-being. Now we will discuss the significance of social interactions for seniors, highlight the importance of social connections for emotional well-being, and encourage viewers to explore local social groups, clubs, senior centers to foster new relationships. And we will also explain how technology can also help seniors stay connected with friends and family, especially if physical mobility is limited. So these are some health concerns that you can face during aging. Okay. Now we will talk about healthy aging tips. So let's talk about some healthy aging tips for the elder people. Now let's talk about some tips for healthy aging. First is regular exercise. So encourage physical activity to maintain strength and balance. Discuss low impact exercises which are suitable for seniors like walking, swimming, or chair yoga. Second is nutrition. Emphasize the importance of a balanced diet, including food which is rich in essential nutrients. Highlight the food that support bone health and cognitive functions. Third, mental stimulation. So suggest some activities such as puzzles, crosswords, or memory games to keep the mind sharp. Next, fourth, regular health checkups. Stress the importance of routine medical checkups and preventive care to catch and address health issues early. Last tip is social engagement. So promote the benefits of social activities from joining clubs to spending time with family and friends. So these are some tips, healthy tips for aging. Now next we'll talk about quality of life. So aging doesn't have to be sentenced to declining health and sedentary lifestyle. Many seniors lead Many seniors lead fulfilling activities, lives well into their later years. Encourage your viewers to embrace aging with a positive outlook and to make the most of the wisdom and experience that come with it. Share stories of seniors who have embraced aging with a positive attitude and made the most of their later years through activities such as travel, pursuing hobbies, and engaging with their communities. Emphasize that aging brings valuable experiences, wisdom, and opportunities to share knowledge with younger generations. So, ultimately, the key message is that aging is a natural part of the life, and with the right knowledge, attitude, and lifestyle choices, it can be fulfilling and enriching experience. Encourage your viewers to appreciate the journey of aging and to support the older adults in their lives in achieving the best possible quality of life. Now we will talk about the homeopathic treatment for the old age problems. Geriatric health. So, when it comes to the geriatric health and well being, homeopathy may be considered as a holistic approach to support the aging process. And homeopathy has wonderful result for the geriatric health, for the old people especially. And homeopathic medicines are selected based on the patient's specific symptoms, constitution, and overall health. Now, here I'm going to discuss some of the homeopathic medicines for geriatric health. So, first common geriatric health problem is arthritis and joint health. Now, we'll talk about the homeopathic medicines for the arthritis and joint health. So, homeopathic medicines like arnica and rustox can help manage arthritis related pains and stiffness. These remedies are chosen based on the specific symptoms and the constitution of the individual. So, homeopathy can address emotional and mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. So, homeopathic medicines like ignitia, lycopodium, and gelsemium can be considered based on an individual symptom. Next geriatric health problem is sleep disorders. So, for sleep disturbances often experienced by older adults, homeopathic medicines like coffea cruda and nux vomica can be recommended to improve sleep quality. Next geriatric health problem is immune support. So, homeopathic medicines like ginseng and alpha alpha are used to strengthen the immune system and enhance the body's ability to resist infection and illnesses. Next geriatric health problem is pain management. So, homeopathic medicines such as Hypericum or Brainia alba can be considered for managing pains, especially in the cases of nerve pain or injuries. Last geriatric health condition is chronic conditions. So, Homeopathy can provide support for the individuals with chronic conditions such as high blood pressure, that is, hypertension, diabetes, or heart diseases. So, homeopathic medicines are selected on the basis of individuals' overall health and specific symptom. So, first medicine for chronic diseases is Digitalis purpura. So, Digitalis is an excellent homeopathic medicine for heart failure with an irregular heartbeat. There is a sensation as if heart would stop beating if moved. Patient must hold the breath and keep still. Pulse is full, irregular, very slow and weak, intermitting every third, fifth, and the seventh beat. Heart is very weak, and there are violent palpitations and frequent stitches in the heart. Second medicine for the chronic diseases in geriatric health problems is Stropanthus. This is a very effective homeopathic medicine to treat heart failure with edema of the legs. Heart section is weak, rapid, irregular due to muscular debility and insufficiency. Pulse is rapid, alternating with slow, weak, and small, irregular pulse. Next homeopathic medicine is Lorocerassus. Lorocerassus is the best homeopathic medicine for the heart failure with the pain in the region of the heart. There is a clutching of at the heart and with palpitations. Pulse is weak, slow, irregular, and variable. Urine retained suppressed involuntarily with palpitations and suffocation and fainting. Next homeopathic medicine for the chronic condition is Crataegus. Crataegus is considered as a heart tonic in homeopathy, and heart muscles seems flabby, worn out, heart weaknesses with operation, stitches, and insomnia. There is extreme dyspnea, that is, difficulty in breathing, on the least exertion without much increase of pulse. Heart is dilated, first sound weak, incompetent valves, and valvular murmurs. Last homeopathic medicine for the chronic geriatric health problems is Cardus marianus. So, Cardus marianus is an effective homeopathic medicine for the heart failure with liver complaints, pain, pressure, and stitches in the region of the heart, and operation on deep breathing. So, these are the some homeopathic medicines that has been successfully used for the treatment of geriatric health problems. So, in conclusion, I want to say that understanding geriatric health and the aging process is essential for everyone, regardless of the age. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, we can all contribute to a better quality of life for ourselves and our elderly loved ones. So if you find this video informative and helpful, give it a please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content related to health and well-being. And if you have any questions or personal stories to share, feel free to leave them in the in the comment box below. So let us continue the conversations on aging and geriatric health. Until next time, take care and remember that aging gracefully is a journey worth embracing. Stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from geriatric health problems or old age problems, then you can contact us for online consultation. On the screen, you can see how you can contact us for online appointments. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video and stay safe.